Welcome to the session. Today is the fourth session, and we are discussing website building. Both of you are from computer science, and you know how to build a website, and you are aware of it. And when we get into details of website building, how to go about, how to start, and what are the things to be considered for website building when it comes to digital marketing, let's see that. First thing is get hosting and domain. Hosting and domain is the priority when you go to build a website, and where to host your website, on which server or which platform. That is your choice. You have a choice to decide. There are many competitors online available to host your website and domain. Can you give me few platforms where you can host your domain?
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy,
Hostinger.
Hostinger, then
I think Adobe also has it, right? Microsoft has it.
okay. I'm doing my digital marketing course from Udemy. The guy suggested there Bluehost. Bluehost is more convenient. He suggested. So
Hmm.
I'm not saying from my end. It is your choice to compare the platforms available. Bluehost is there, Wix is there, Squarespace is there, etc. There are many places where you can compare the prices, themes available, and plugins available. Compare these things and select the best website which suits your need as well as the budget.
Hmm.
After that, log into WordPress. If you go to Bluehost, you will get a chance to log into WordPress because WordPress is integrated in Bluehost. There you can design the way you want. And he says it is WordPress org, not .com. Be mindful of it. So when you go there, you will, according to his statement, you will get nearly 55,000 plus themes and
Okay.
plenty of plugins. Options are there. Please visit that and get to know. And if you have already preference to other platforms, that's your choice. Next is install a new theme. Once you design your website, make sure which suits your product and service. Accordingly, install a new theme and design it. Edit your website according to the needs. Add web plugins however you need it. Finally, launch your website. This is website building. Next step is business email. You need to have a business email when you're having your own business because people will recognize you as official seller or merchant based on your business email, and they interact with that email and they get to know it is for a business purpose. Set up a domain and name. Even though you don't have your website, still you can go and buy a domain because you need to have a business email. For that, you need to have a domain and name. And first, you need to set it up. After setting it up, you need to create email address. Web host where he created. That gives you 5 usernames to be used freely. So they give 5 usernames. Imagine, for example, you are the admin. So there you can use admin uh, so and so.com. And next you have somebody else, the other person who may be working under you. For him also you can create another email. So like that, you can create 5 free email accounts. Depends on the platforms you're choosing. They give multiple email accounts to the organization or to the company. According to your budget, you can afford that. Next is add your email address to Gmail. Most of the time, you need to visit the websites where you created the email and check there. Sometimes the servers may be down. You'll not be able to check. Sometimes you'll not be receiving emails very soon. Even I have a friend who has his email on GoDaddy, but his email processing is a little bit slow sometimes because of the network. Gmail is quicker and faster and efficient. So you can link your business email ID to Gmail and you can access your business email ID through your primary Gmail ID, which is your personal email ID. So there you can actually access the emails which come to your business And also you can respond from the same place using the email ID of business ID. Understood? There are process, but you have to understand how to do it. Set reply preference. There you can also set reply preference from which ID you want to reply, because you will have your primary ID, that is your personal ID. Second thing is your business email ID. So you can set a preference from which email you want to respond. Usually you should respond from your business email ID because the email has come to the business ID. Next, there you have to create a label for your business email ID. You understood what is label? If you go there to Gmail, you can see the label there. And after creating the label, make sure you give a different color to the label. And whenever you see an email coming to your business ID, that will show in that particular color. So you can identify which is personal email and which is business email. You can add multiple emails there, right, in your Gmail so that you can reply from the same place. This is one way. Second is procedures are they need to follow procedures. Second way is add a forwarding address. Like we have call forwarding, we have also email forwarding. And while doing these procedures, you need to verify from both the emails because Gmail always sends the verification code that has to be entered. Once the process is done, your email ID is set in Gmail ID itself. You can respond from there, you can receive from there. All the interaction can happen on one platform and faster. Make sure you have SSL certificate. This is all about the secure website. If you don't have SSL certificate, many people don't even enter your website because of the security threat, and data can be stolen from their devices. That is the main reason people be careful. If your website doesn't have SSL certificate, people won't entertain that. Next, verify WHOIS information on mail. Once you go through domain verification, domain purchase, they will send verification to your mail. You have to verify this information on an email. If it is not verified for 15 days, your domain purchase will be deactivated. So this is the information for today. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. And more of the things today we discussed are technical. So you may have to go to the YouTube or maybe tutorial place where you need to understand how to build a website, how to purchase a domain, and how to forward the email to Gmail. All these technical aspects, you have to watch them on the screen, understand, and perform it. That's how it is. Being computer science students, it is easy for you. But for the students who are coming from arts background and commerce background, they need to understand the techniques, then only they will be able to do it.
Sir, could you tell me the process, whose information?
Whose information is that
Means,
WHOIS?
yeah, whose?
That is
Yes.
once you purchase the domain, right? That verification ID comes to your email ID. Sorry, email. So there you need to go and verify that. Once verification is done, domain purchase will be confirmed.
Okay. And what's the time period? If I didn't do
Within
it,
15 days, it has to be
they
done.
will decline.
Within 15 days.
15.
Usually it happens on the same day when you purchase. When you purchase domain also,
Understand, sir.
within 1 hour, it will be activated. If it is not happening, they also say within 4 hours, if it is not activated, we will again call you back for further verification because that's how it happens. Okay.
Okay,
If
sir.
you watch those technical aspects, you will understand the procedure. Here, I'm not able to explain to you everything in detail because uh, literally to explain all those things, I need to purchase a domain now itself. So you'll be able to understand it. It will be lengthy procedure
Mm.
and it takes a lot of time.